house, matumban. Wow. So big, Chorits.
Why is there so many hot dogs?
Hot dog eh.
There's another hot dog.
Okay, okay, get the hot dog. Be careful.
Okay, sorry.
Get the hot dog. Oh, hot dog daw mga kalalabs.
Oh, there's another hot dog.
Yeah. Di na, oh. Dagan pa na diha.
And there's another hot dog.
You can pick the white one.
What's what?
Yeah.
It's, why is
May
there
sibi.
the purple one?
Huh? Yeah, you can pick that too. Ayun you can harvest that.
What's this a tiny one?
Oh, it's like your Chorits. It's a tiny. Sino na
Look
Chorits?
at my hand.
Sino harvest na? Be careful ha, kaya nga ahos in taon, matumban. Ang garlic. Be careful ha.
Okay, I don't step on the garlic. Oh, I see. Oh.
Ay.
There's another tiny one.
Siya na pinaharvest ko mga kalalabs para ma-experience niya ba? Oh. Ito na dito isa.
Is this enough? Did you see it? What did you see?
Dapat diri oh. Ah, diri oh.
What did it? Oh.
Ano sinilas naman tong usa oy. Ay, tiniil naman to oy.
Oh.
Oh. Yan na pagpagi. Ano ba? Pagpagi. Sige na. Oh, tara dito tiniil lang sa. Be careful. Be careful no.
What's this? Oh. Ow!
Kay maibot ang kuan. Hoy, nay kuan. This is garlic Chorits. This is garlic.
Oh yeah, this is going.
Only hold the radish.
And there's the radish.
This one. This one.
What's that thing over there? Why does this look like a mushroom?
It looks like a mushroom. Yeah. It looks like a white mushroom. Okay.